Alright guys, I'm coming to you this evening. It looks like we're going to get a little thunderstorm. There's been some rumbling. As you can see the sky, it's got really dark here like in the last 5 minutes. So we're going to see what comes about. Sit out here and watch it for a few minutes. See what happens. See if any lightning comes up. That'd be nice. Yeah, it'd be nice to see some lightning. Oh my goodness, everybody's gonna see my license plate. I don't care. Because they're open to the public anyways. Anybody can run your tag. So it don't matter to me. I have nothing to hide. Just a crazy old man, I guess. I did get another project though. One day we're gonna split this wood I got here. It's gonna be for the fire pit. We got it from my neighbor's tree they took down over there. They want to do something with that. They got somebody coming to get all that. And there was some down here by the Christmas tree they said I could have. So I went and got it. There is lightning coming up. I seen some right now over that way. So we're going to stand here and watch lightning. I'll probably miss it each time. But anyways, they said I could have some of it. And I only wanted like 5 or 6 sticks to split real fine up and keep it for my fire pit this summer. My son's like, well, Dad, it ain't but about $10 to go buy firewood, but it burns up just as quick as you put it in your pit, because there ain't nothing but little tiny pieces of sticks. This here I can split, and we can start a fire, and it'll burn, and I'll have it a bunch of times instead of just one time, and I'm out $10. This way here, it didn't cost me nothing. To me, $10 is $10. You know, to someone that's working, that's got more money, $10 it may not be nothing to you, but $10 to me, it's $10 that I may need for something else. Because I only get a small little Social Security check, and that has to pay my bills and stuff. There was a streak of lightning. We got that one. We're going to sit here and watch it, see what happens. Meanwhile, I'm cooking dinner. We're having some barbecue pork chops made in the oven. I didn't want to feel like fooling with the grill. And some red potatoes sliced up in little squares. And got them fixed for, like, I don't know, seasoned red potatoes in the, oven. There's some nice streaks of lightning coming up over there. I hope I'm getting some of it. I shake so much, it's pitiful. But I gotta leave it to where I can run with my phone if I need it. Well, I won't be running, but you know what I mean. I'll be wobbling. I am walking just a hair better now that the weather's warmed up a hair, but it's still popping in and out of socket. And it's still needs replaced, so even though it's feeling a little better, I'm still going to go ahead and with the surgery. I'm not going to put it off. Because it'd be crazy to put it off. Then the next coming winter, to go right back through the pain and the suffering again. I'd rather just suffer and get it over with. So, ooh, that was a good streak. It's popping up over there and over here both. We got lightning coming. I like it this time of evening because you can see it. During the daytime, you can't see it. I did have a couple of streaks this morning. I made another video, but I didn't throw it away. I took it off, disregarded it because I didn't really get nothing but a little bit of rumble, maybe a couple of streaks of lightning. That was it. It played out as quick as it got started. Hopefully this one's not going to, but sometimes they do. Sometimes they'll hit up around my dad's out there towards Bailey Lakes, which is about 5 miles out. And then when it comes to here, they'll miss us and just bring us just a little bit of rain. And sometimes we'll get it worse than that. All depends. Right now we're just watching to see where it pops up at. Ooh, that was good streaks all around. It's like a rounded lightning, that one was. It went like from over here around that way and stuff. That was pretty cool. Trying to hold this thing still. Ooh, that was a nice one. I probably didn't get it. It does look like it's moving that away. That's where the one went earlier. We missed out. But I love watching lightning. And as long as it ain't popping right at me, I like to sit outside and just record. I hear them tell me all the time, "You're crazy. I wouldn't sit out there. You're going to get struck by lightning." If it's my time to go, then lightning hits me. I guess it'll hit me. But mostly I'm just sitting out here just enjoying the evening. I do have to run in there in a minute and check my dinner. Ooh, it's making some good rumbling. Ooh, that was a good one. It's all more over that way though, except for the back lightning or whatever. I may just set the tripod up, leave the phone outside for a moment. Hopefully it won't rain on it while I run in the house and check my dinner. If it does, I'll have to dry it real quick. We may or may not have a video. We may or may not. Depends on if it gets wet. Ooh, that was a good one. There comes whoever's got that music. Somebody here blasts the whole neighborhood all the time with that boom, 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 boom stereo, and drives me nuts. Shakes my house inside, but never can tell who it is. They come by every day. Somebody ain't gonna have no eardrums. You can hear some thunder. The lightning really moved over that way. There's some like this way though, but there's more this way. I hope the tree's not blocking it where you can't see it, because it is at a distance. But there's some rumbling bad back that way. Does sound like it's gonna come a good one. We may catch the back end of it. I don't even know how long it takes to bake a pork chop in the oven. I normally don't cook, but I decided I found some red potatoes on sale today, and I like them better. I do the regular potatoes. So I bought 2 bags of them. They were like 2 bags for $5. So I bought 2 bags of them, and I figured, what the heck, I'll put some red seasoned potatoes on for dinner. Most of the time I just boil them and put a little butter in on. I don't even peel them. We eat peels and all. That was a good streak. We may need to go that away probably. I probably need to be on the porch recording that away. Let me move over, guys. Sitting down's not doing me no good. We're missing the lightning. The better lightning, I think, is that way. We'll see for a minute. I'll stand here a minute and see. Then I'll know where to prop you. It wasn't for them lights shining over there, you could see better. See, there was a flipper. Okay, it got awful quiet. Now it's back this way. I wished what these things done was just rotate. If they'd take and rotate your phone, when you put it on, it'd go around in, 360 degrees and pick up everything all around. That would be so cool. I'm standing here in that lightning and I got my hand propped up on a metal grill. But safety is always number one. If it gets too dangerous, we go in the house, because we don't want to risk life. Life, limb, or death. There you go. That's the best way to put it. If I had some that away, it'd be this way next. Come on, you big pretty streaks of lightning. We like to see you. Our thunder's just about played out, it sounds like. Our thunder is thundering no more. Ooh, that is a nice one. Very nice. That's what I'm saying. I think it went more that way. We're going to catch the back end again. So I think what I'll do is I'll prop you up and I'll go in and check my dinner. I'll come back and we'll see what we got. Hopefully it won't be storming and it won't be raining enough to rent my phone. And you guys will be able to see what I got. But I'm going to mosey this way just a hair. Try to prop it to where it will pick up that way. I think I can do it that way. Where you can see the lightning. I love watching lightning. If I had it to do all over again, I'd have been a storm chaser. That was a nice one. The worst thing it could do is blow my phone over and break the screen, I guess. Or get wet and destroy it. But I'll be back out in a moment. Although we missed a big one that away. Trees always block it. It's my luck, the tree is always blocked. A good lightning. Or a house. But being in the city, it always happens that way. I'll be right back. It all needs a little more time. It'll just give me more time to come out here and watch the lightning. Have you seen any more lightning? I wish you could answer, but I didn't go live. I might go live in a day or two, just to say hello to everybody. I'm walking just a hair better, but not much, like I said. I would love to be back at the cemetery filming, though. I miss it. I feel like when I'm not doing it, there's a lot of untold stories. Just by their reading their name and stuff. Some people think I'm crazy, but that's the way I feel. And I'm going to walk by just a moment. Look around and see how it's going over here. since I don't know how to play music, I use that wind chime for my music. Or I don't know how to download music. That's my music, guys. Hope you enjoy it. There's a car. Now, how can you stand that? I mean, come on. You can't hear nothing when that's doing that. Can't even understand what that says. Just boom. At least we're getting a good view of the sky. Ooh, that was a nice one. More this way. It's like it's all going that way today. Something's gonna happen though. The birds are going a little crazy. I love the springtime of year though, hearing them more. You miss it in the wintertime when you don't hear them much. Alright guys, I'll be back out in a few. I'll go pick my hair. Check this, go to see what you think. I believe it's done. Hear me? Go ahead and check this, see if you think it's done. I believe it's all done. It is getting nighttime, but it's still getting awful dark. We're gonna wait and see what still happens. Still got lightning going, guys. So we're gonna keep filming. Hopefully we're getting it. May need to turn just a hair, like so. Excuse me for cracking through. this video and started doing. That way we can, video won't be too long and people don't want to watch. I think this one's already at 30 some minutes. We can go a little longer, I guess. See what happens real quick. I don't want to get too long though because I don't want to watch. I think all the good lighting's done for the mount. Oh, that one was right above us. It may be coming in on us. We just have to wait and see. This might be the calm before the storm, you never know. Anyways, I'm gonna let it keep going and see what happens while I go in there and throw away my trash. Still lightning some, I see. Yeah, it's right above us, some of it. Well, that's good. It's really coming in that way now. We might move the camera that way for a minute. I don't think you guys are getting them pine trees, are you? No, you ain't. That's where a lot of it's at right now. It's hard to judge where to put it. May move it a little bit. I'm gonna go right here. Right there for a few minutes, see what happens. That's more back towards my dad's, where that big light up is. So he lives out on 250. Bunch of junk had to move. I don't think I'm ever going to get over this junk. Let's sit down for a moment though, my legs are hurting. little closer, I think. More accurate. We kind of end the video now, I think. Straight back. Wish the thunder would come on. Thunder. Here it is, but it's way back. It's a little bit of airport now. You'll see better action towards the left though. We'll get about 10 more minutes, and if we don't hear any good thunder or get any good screech, we'll just end it. Hopefully we got that one off to the right. It's really coming over towards the left though. You can't see it because of the house. I can see the, like fireworks. You see them go off, but you can't really see them see them. Lightening up the sky good. It gets too bad we're moving the house and going out the window. As long as the rain don't blow on the camera. It is really coming over there. It's not quite thundering yet. It's like a grand finale. Looks like it's up in the sky lightning instead of more down. Of course, that's down more over there. Oh, that was nice. Took a little bit of the rain. I got a feeling that's what's going to happen. The rain's going to come on us and we're going to have to go in. Let me get over this way before it starts. Too bad. I don't think you're getting any of that over there though. Right there over here is what I'm talking about. Let me see if you, yeah, there you go. It's really coming over there. We may end this video and start another one real quick. I think we will. Okay guys, I'm going to end this one and start another one.